Good morning, Trevor. This is Andy Downing here at Terry Henricks, taking a quick look at our GMC Sierra 2500. Beautiful truck. This is the Denali, so it's loaded up nice. It's got decent tread life left on those Wrangler, Goodyear Wrangler tires. Tow package, nice hard tonneau cover on it. Step around the side here. Cab length running boards, super clean on the cab. Super clean black leather, no funky smells or anything. Really nicely equipped GMC with the Bose premium sound. Forward collision avoidance. Has the lane departure, navigation, heated vented seats, sunroof. Really nice, really clean truck. Let me know if I can get you more information.